This creamy jalapeno sauce is so addictive, you'll want to put it on everything, and it takes just minutes to make. 4 fresh jalapenos, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream or yogurt, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons milk for consistency. First, wash and roughly chop the jalapenos. Remove seeds if you want it less spicy. In a blender, add jalapenos, garlic, and fresh coriander. Blend for a few seconds. Now add mayonnaise and sour cream. Blend again until smooth and creamy. Pour in lemon juice and add salt to taste. If the sauce is too thick, add milk little by little until you get that perfect, silky texture. Try this sauce with burgers, wraps, fries, or even grilled chicken. It goes with everything. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious sauces.